The layout and facilities here are almost identical to what we have in space. For example, this is a manual control panel for the robotic arms, which are programmed to assist two astronauts in extravehicular tasks. In case of an emergency, a third astronaut can control the arms manually from inside the spacecraft. It might look odd from here, but in space, they won't feel the difference between up or down.
Nice and warm. Laps to increase when the International Space Station goes out of service.
These are docking points to connect cargo resupply vessels and crewed spacecraft. Our space station is upgradable and we hope to extend its lifespan by enhancing existing facilities. We have a T-shaped configuration now, but we can add another core and 2 more labo modules in the future.
This permanent display in the city of Zhuhai will offer a lasting tribute to the country's first home in space.